Part C1, it says to construct a box and whiskers diagram and comment on the skewness of the distribution. Okay, and bear in mind the box plot is very useful to give you a visual appreciation of the data so that you can capture where most of the values are. You are given us, or give you an idea of how the spread is. Okay, where most of the values are concentrated. It will give you an idea of the median, which is an average. You can compare it to the mean and you'll get an idea of the mean. Okay, so therefore now the box plot is a very useful diagram to help you to decide and conclude. So we have our quartiles already, so we're going to use them to construct a box plot. Bear in mind, you can also get help in TR6EWI. Now we came across the box plot already from number 32. So we're going to use that knowledge to help us here. So that's just a reminder of where you can get assistance to help you with this question. Weekly notes. Number 3, 7 to 15, the Google Classroom, TR6E2WI, this YouTube, and these links. Now let's take note of our quartiles. So, and the lowest value, we need 5 numbers, okay, to construct the box plot. Now we have recorded that our lowest value is 15, lower quartile is 38, median is 44, upper quartile is 48, and the highest value is 75. Now we need a horizontal scale. Okay, we can go to GeoGebra for that. So just type GeoGebra in Google. GeoGebra graphing. It's a graphing calculator. All right, so you can modify the scale. Let's increase or decrease. Yeah, decrease. All right, so we decrease in the scale. We want from 15 to 75. Okay, this is 20 to 100. 10. Okay, so we can use this scale right here. Use our snipping tool to take a snapshot of this scale. We're starting from 10 to 80. Okay, so here we have our horizontal scale. Use snipping tool to snip it and go to our Google Doc. Go to Insert, go to Drawing, go to New, and you can paste this image in the drawing app of Google Docs. So we have a horizontal scale. Now we need vertical lines for the lowest value and so forth, up to the highest value. So let me just copy these values. Are we still recording? Yes. Go back here in drawing, paste them, just to remind us that these are the values we're going to be using. So we need our vertical lines for the lowest value up to the highest value. Right, so you go to lines, the line, and you draw a vertical line, and we placed it above 15. So that's an indication of our, so you can click on Shift and your arrow to gently adjust it. Control C, Control V. That will be same size. We can make it our left whisker. That's 75. And then Control C, Control V, a little longer to make the box Well, we make the median. We can make the median, and we can just use a rectangle for the box. So that's 44, that's 45, so 44 for the median. And we can use a rectangle to create the box. We can leave the box highlighted. And what we can do now, for the box now, because it's highlighted, we can go to paint and make it transparent. Okay, thicken the lines, the borders, thicken the border for the median. The line for the median can be thickened. Okay, you can adjust it. Now we need to adjust the lower quartile. It's 38, so we can just adjust it close to 40 there, right? About 38 approximately. The upper quartile is 48, which is a little lower than 50. Okay. Now we need our left and our right whisker. I think we need to embolden the median line. So what I can do, just go back a little bit. Yes, I can right click on this, send this order back, because what it does now, it's preventing me from highlighting the line for the median, because the line for the median was first. Okay. And yes, you can thicken the lines for the whiskers. And then what we can do now, we can use a thin line now, horizontal line. Okay, for the whisker, let's put this as thin as possible. Oh, what I can do, I can make it long. Okay, put this, let's make it horizontal. Yeah, you want to be horizontal. Okay, put back the box white. Okay, put it behind the line. No, put it in front of the line. And then this line, this has to be in front. So let me take it out there as a median. Put this box in front of the line. Put the order in front, right? And then this line, put it in front. That's the line for the median, and then bring it back. And then you've got a box and whiskers. That's 44 using Google Docs. Okay, if you want, you can leave those values there just for labeling, but we know them already. So and here is how you can construct a box and whiskers using Google Docs. So with regards to the skewness, as you can see, the box is almost at the center. The right whisker looking at it longer, but there's a bigger gap between the median and the lower quartile. So there's a very slight skewness, hence approximately normal.